You are born in total darkness. No sky, no sound, no sense of who you are. Just warmth and thousands of bodies moving around you. You don't know it yet, but your entire life will last only a few weeks, and every second of it will be spent working for something that isn't even you. This is your life as a honeybee. You begin as an egg. Your mother, the queen, placed you inside a tiny wax chamber deep in the hive. She will never meet you. She will never raise you. To her, you are just one of thousands she produces every single day. Days pass. You hatch into a larva, blind, helpless, completely dependent. You just eat. Worker bees feed you constantly. Your entire future is decided early. Some larvae are fed a special substance, royal jelly. Those lucky few become queens, larger, stronger, the center of the entire colony. But you were not chosen. Your path is already set. You grow quickly. Within days, your cell is sealed. Inside, your body transforms. Legs form, wings develop. Your entire being reshapes into something new. Then one day, you emerge. For the first time, you see the hive. It's crowded, loud, alive. Thousands of bees move in perfect coordination. No one stops, no one rests for long. Every inch of space is filled with purpose. And immediately, you begin working. Your first job is simple. You clean. The very cell you were born in must be spotless. Then you move to the next one, and the next. Every chamber must be perfectly prepared for the next generation, because the queen never stops laying eggs. You don't question your role. You can't. Your brain is wired for one thing: work. Days pass, and your job changes. Now you are a nurse. You care for the larvae, just like you were once cared for. You feed them constantly, moving from one to another without pause. Hundreds of tiny lives depend on you. You barely rest. Your sleep comes in short, scattered moments, just enough to continue. And as you feed them, something becomes clear. Some of these larvae are different. They are fed differently, treated differently. One of them may become the next queen, stronger than you, more important than you, the future of the hive, while you remain exactly what you were born to be, a worker. Replaceable. Soon, your body changes again. You develop wax glands. Now you are a builder. You produce tiny flakes of wax and use them to construct the hive. Piece by piece, perfect hexagons form under your touch. No one teaches you how. You just know. Instinct guides every movement. The hive grows endlessly. It never slows down. Time passes quickly. Your role changes once again. Now you stand at the entrance. You are a guard. Every bee is checked. Every scent is judged. But there is a cost. If you use your stinger, you will die. Still, you defend the hive, because your life is not about you. It never was. Then everything changes. You leave the hive. For the first time, you see the outside world. Light floods your vision. The sky stretches endlessly above you. It is beautiful and terrifying, because outside is where bees die. But you don't hesitate. This is your final role. You are now a forager. You fly from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen. Every journey is dangerous. Wind, rain, predators, everything can end you. But you keep going, because the hive depends on it. You bring everything back, but you never keep it. It becomes honey for the colony. Hundreds of flights, thousands of flowers, all for something bigger than yourself. Days pass. Your wings wear out. Your body weakens, but you keep working. There is no rest. There's no pause. Eventually, you take one last flight, and you cannot return. You fall.
The
alone.
work doesn't stop. The colony doesn't pause, because there are thousands of others, just like you. Your entire life lasted only a few weeks. You worked every moment. You followed a path you never chose. And in the end, you disappeared without a trace. And yet, without you, the hive would not survive. Your life, though short, was essential. Every bee plays a role. Every task matters. Every effort keeps the colony alive. So the next time you see a bee flying from flower to flower, remember what it takes to live that life. Because behind something so small is a world built on purpose, sacrifice, and relentless work. And it leaves one question behind. If your life had a single purpose, would you live it the same way?